Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio Conversations in a mobile chat app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Twilio Conversations in your mobile chat app, begin by logging into your Twilio console. Navigate to the Conversations section in the Twilio dashboard. Create a new conversation service by clicking the Create New Service button. Assign a unique name to your service, which will help identify it later. Once the service is created, make note of the generated service SID. Next, install the Twilio SDK for Conversations in your mobile apps project. For iOS, use CocoaPods by adding Pod Twilio Conversations voice to your pod file. For Android, include the dependency in your build.gradle file as implementation com.twilio conversations latest _version. After installing the SDK, initialize it in your app's main activity. Make sure to include the necessary permissions for internet access in your app's manifest file. Now, create a new user or identity for the user who will be sending messages. Utilize the Twilio REST API to create the identity, making an API request to your backend server. Set up a server endpoint that securely retrieves access tokens for your users. In your mobile app, use the generated access token to authenticate the user. Once authenticated, initialize the Conversations client with the access token. After initializing, you can create a new conversation using the Conversations client. Store the conversation SID for future reference. To send a message, call the send message method on the conversation object. Ensure that you handle the response to confirm the message was sent successfully. In the case of receiving messages, listen for events on the conversation object. Set up a listener to handle incoming messages and update the UI accordingly. Test the messaging functionality within your app to ensure reliability. Finally, monitor and tune your app's performance to create a seamless user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.